Привет, and welcome to my channel, RussianMatreshka. And today we're continuing with our Russian alphabet series where I introduce you a letter of the Russian alphabet and 10 most frequently used Russian words that start with that letter. Are you ready? Let's go! And for today's lesson, I will introduce you a Russian letter L. L or L. We call it both ways. In the old Trans-Slavonic alphabet, Russian letter L used to be called Люди. Russian letter L is based on a Greek letter lambda. And let's start with the 10 most frequently used words that start with the letter L. According to the frequency count, Russian word Люди is the number 1 in our chart for the 10 most frequently used words. Люди means people. For example, русские люди, Russian people. Word number 2. It's a particle li, and we use this particle for questions. Let's look at a few examples. Не стыдно ли тебе? Aren't you embarrassed? Or далеко ли этот город? Is this city far away? Word number 3 is лето, and лето means summer. If we remove a letter O at the end of that word лето, we'll end up with лет. And we use let for years. If you remember from my previous lessons, in Russian, год means a year. But for how old are you, we use лет. For example, сколько тебе лет? How old are you? And depending on how old you are, we use two variations, either лет or год. So for example, if you're 1 year old, you say Мне 1 год. From 2 to 4, you use года. 2 года, 3 года, 4 года. And then from 5 to 20, you use лет. 5 лет, 6 лет, 7 лет, and so on. And then you start all over again. So when it's 21, you have 1 at the end. Then again, you use год. 21 год. And again, from 2 to 4, 22 года, 23 года, 24 года. And then again лет, 25 лет, 26 лет, 27 лет. And so on. Word number 4 is лицо, which means face. Лицо means a face. For example, я узнаю ваше лицо. I recognize your face. Word number 5, and I think it's going to be everyone's favorite. Любить. Любить is a verb that means to love. Любить. Я люблю свою работу. I love my job. Or она его любит. She loves him. Notice how different the grammatical structure of the Russian sentence. We don't say she loves him, but instead we say she him loves. Она его любит. The same goes for он ее любит. He, her loves. He loves her. Word number 6 is лишь, only, merely. For example, это лишь одна из причин. That's only one of the reasons. Word number 7 is лучше. Лучше means better. For example, мне лучше. I feel better. Again, notice the intricacies of this Russian sentence structure. We don't say I feel better. We say me better. Мне лучше. He feels better. Ему лучше. Him better. If you translate directly. Or she feels better. Ей лучше. Her better. Word number 8. Word number 8 is les. Les means forest. I want to introduce you this Russian idiom, темный лес, which directly translates as a dark forest. We use it in a sentence to reflect when we don't know anything about something. For example, для меня это темный лес. I don't know anything about it. Word number 9. Word number 9 is лежать. Лежать means to lie. For example, лежать в кровати. To lie in bed. And the word number 10 is лагерь. Лагерь means a camp. For example, детский лагерь, children's camp. And let's repeat quickly one more time what we learned today. Word number 1, люди. Word number 2, ли. Word number 3, лето. Word number 4, лицо. Word number 5, любить. Word number 6, лишь. Word number 7, лучше. Word number 8, лес. Word number 9, лежать. Word number 10, лагерь. Thank you so much for your attention. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and I will see you in my next video. Пока-пока-пока-пока! Bye!